Hello students, hope you all doing well. Today I have decided to explain you a few questions on conversion of measures. Okay, so before we start, let's recall these measurements. Okay, now when I talk about how to convert meter into centimeter, then it is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and if you are asked to convert kilometers to meters, 1 kilometers is going to be 1000 meters. If it is asking you 1 kg is equal to how many grams, then 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. When you're converting liters into milliliters, then 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. And when it talks about time, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Children, these tables that I just read for you, it was like it needs to be remembered, okay? Because if you don't remember these conversions properly, then you may go wrong, even though you are doing it very well, but your conversion table needs to be memorized very well. All right, anyways, let's start with the questions. Okay, you are just given a few questions. Find the equivalent measures: converting meter to centimeter, converting liters to ml, converting the kilometers to meters, kgs to grams, and hours to minutes. There's so many things that you can convert. Okay, let's have a look at the questions over here, finding out the equivalent measures of these given figures. I have a first question for you children. 0.35 meters. It needs to be converted into centimeters. It is very simple. Whenever you are asked a question like this, always write down the conversion first. What is 1 meter equal to? It equals to 100 centimeter. So when you are asked to convert meters into centimeters, remember to multiply the figures. I have the question here which says it's equal to, wait, 0.35 meters, and when you're converting into centimeters, you will of course multiply it by this 100 there. So we will write 100 here. Okay, so we will get what you all know. When we are multiplying the figures by this 100 there, it needs to be shifted. It's a 0.35, and since it's multiplied by 100, you're not going to take a very long working. You will not do a very long working here. Simply shift the decimal points there. I have one place and then two places. You have got two places here, so it's going to give me 35 centimeters. What should be the answer? 35 centimeters. Okay, sorry, I need to darken it up. All right, now moving on to the second question here. 0.55 liters into ml. Now 1 liter is equal to how many ml? Right, 1000 ml. Very good. So I will just simply write down the question here is equal to 0.55 multiplied by 1000, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So I will multiply it by 1000. Again, we are multiplying since it's converted from liters to ml. How many places do I have to shift my decimal point? I will shift my decimal point 3 places, as I am multiplying it by 1000 It has 3 zeros. I need 3 places here. My decimal point is here. So I will just write 1. I'll move 1 place, 2 places, and the 3rd place. My decimal point comes here. So this blank figure, the blank portion, you're going to write down 0, 5, 5, and a 0 here. It means, and it's going to be ml, right? So I will write down 550 ml. It means 0.55 liters is equal to 550 ml. Okay. Now I will move on to the 3rd question here. What does the 3rd question ask, children? It is asking you to convert 3.85 kilometers into meters. How much is 1 kilometer equal to? Yes, very good, 1000 meters. Now, as we are converting kilometers to meters, we will again multiply. Okay, and what will we multiply 3.85 by? We will multiply 3.85 by 1000. Why by 1000? Because our kilometers equal to 1000 meters. So how many places do I have to shift this decimal point? Only there are 2 places here, but we have 3 zeros here. We will shift 3 places. So we're going to bring this decimal point 1 place, then skip another one, and then come to the 3rd one, which makes it here. This is a blank space here. Okay. So what will I do here? Simple. My answer is going to be 3,850 meters. All right, and I'll fill in my blank with 3,850. Clear? Now, children, everything comes with practice. The more you practice, the better it is. I will be sharing questions at the end of the video, but these are the few examples that I have shared. Now I'll move on to the last question, which is going to be kg to grams. Okay, let's convert 5.2 kg to grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, so let's do the working. Simple again. Since we are converting kg to grams, we will multiply the figure 5.2 by 1000, since it is 1000 grams. Okay, now here we just have a look at the decimal point here. How many places do you see here? I mean, how many zeros here? 3 zeros. Okay, and I have only 1 place here. My decimal point will shift 1 place, 2 places, and the 3rd place is here. It's going to come somewhere here. How many places have I skipped? 1, 2, 3. So 5,200 grams will be my answer. And let me fill in this 5,200 here. Understood that? Now, students, I would like every one of you to just practice more questions like this. You can also make questions of your own. Okay, just simply write a few figures the way I have explained it to you, and try to practice some more questions like this. All right, so the next video I will be sharing same conversion of measures, some same equivalent measures. All right, so for today it's this much, and just practice some more questions, and then we shall become smart enough in this chapter. Okay, so bye for now and have a good day.